Hi everyone, my name is Nate Carroll and I work as a lead chocolate maker at a place called Dandelion Chocolate in San Francisco, California. I studied food science in college at Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, and through that program, one of my friends who was in the same program went on to work at Dandelion, so I knew about the company through networking with her and was able to get a job through networking. I used my degree in various different ways, the main one being food safety and proper food handling techniques when producing a food product and delivering it to a consumer. One of the main things that I enjoy about my job is the physical sort of hands-on nature of actually making the chocolate, and the troubleshooting and problem solving if a machine breaks or something like that happens is always keeps things interesting and always something new every day. My advice to someone looking for a job would be to find something that you think is cool or something that you're passionate about, and then work doesn't feel like work. It always is fun to go into work because it's something that you really care about. The joke that I always say is it's hard to not have fun working at a chocolate factory, so thank you.